Wasn't it a Miyagi-Do student who put Miguel Diaz in the hospital?
That was an accident. At least, I hope so. We love you, Miguel.
Thank you, Samantha. This car wash will be going on this evening until
That's your girl?
6 p.m.
I don't know. Sound like vanilla not her flavor no more. She got a taste for that horchata. Who knows? Thinking maybe she'd be drinking that dark roast next.
How about you shut your mouth?
Sorry ass punk. Looks like Karate Boy want to throw down. This was just a warm up. We ain't done with you yet.
Everyone get back to your bunks. We're on lockdown.
Should've known. So now I know why you stopped writing.
I kept writing because you never answered.
Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to write back in between getting my face busted up.